Hey guys, Fishy here, and this time I want to introduce you to Paige. Paige shares content from pioneerpress.site. Debbie Wasserman Schultz has a meltdown as homicide detective links her to brutal murder. Yeah, I'm not buying it. So when I actually looked at Pioneer Press on my spreadsheet, I have one account that's already been removed. All of the accounts that are running this come from Pakistan. So I looked into Paige. This is Paige's profile. It's got Trump posts, a couple of videos and some images, and then some personal pictures. Looking rough, looking a little better, and comments from people like Abid Ali. So really cute. But when I started looking at photos, it tells a different story. Doesn't it always? So here are the photos that Paige comments on. A whole bunch of comments on photos about women, like kiss me and call me and here's my number. But then there's this photograph. And when you find one where they tag the people in it, it's really great. So we will look for that. We were going to put Paige in as a find, put Paige's name there, and see where it is. And here we go. Soil Gore is Paige Allen. What do you know? Found another one. So again, this is a group of Pakistani profiles sharing content like this into groups for Americans to consume. And if that doesn't concern you, I don't know what to tell you. It really bothers me. What else are they serving up to Americans, and what effect is it having? Share this video and put the word out and let people know how many fakes we're coming up against. And maybe Facebook can be pressured or shamed into doing something about it.